na mo hu se ne nsem no eye nipa bi hu ni se o na mo ane na monche so ne yenye ne hwe na sem na wo court wo court nti Accra Circuit Court enra wonum kwasetena ne yesi Chief Executive Officer yi Oda Men's Gold ano Nana Pia Mensa aka Nam 1 yesi kwadu ade abono ene se sika hu se to da sika bi wo wo so tua hoto wo de kwa akwantuom se wo de mane no yeso wo de adoje eno ho kwa edu ba ko a ye de abono no eti yesi judge yi otena dwam de bonka ta esi owura yi Evelyn Asamoah wo live nti na Nam1 enu ananka wo so odi na asem no ma anya ani ni o ma hwa ni se nyame ya adom a December bosome ye to aba ni hwie a 16th December enu on besa atena Nam1 na asem ni so bio na o mahunie krontu hwe enne de bonka ta Ghanaian Times a Nam1 na wafira kente no wo hye ne 4 square space enu oda ha sei na ha sei ya so abusuafo aprosifo mpanimfo sei mudie ne se mapagya nade ebi pagya nade a wodi ye adwuma papa ne ebo omoso a omudi di nsemone yeso wadwen se abatwe mu bedi nsemone a aprosifo a ye ti wagumu eye 62,794 aprosifo mpem aduosia mienu ahenso aduokono nan ane ye gya wagumu wo se abatuo brenu dura ewe kura de nya prosifo nko migration for kam ho dum judgment ye for kam ho national security for kam ho yesi prosifo ne omo a wo hyentade de identify wo ho de on be hye omo ntade na national security for no wo mo no o ma hye entade awunhu ono ode na mu na prosipani wo pombo anu se wo be ye wadwen se wo ba bedin nchima bedin semhunu ene ni asaso ode hwewo no wo beye ne pepepepepepe wonye jamu o ni ewoso oye no wo beye ama pepepepepe o se atetede wo so openimoja dodo a ensuo wode be fremu ama no eti Ghanaian Times ni nsem ode ba ye bi enonakua
Daily Graphic anopai wono so baby awudi si ye ehwa na ode mfonini kakraka ato ha wo chechire mfikofiko ntimi nko hobim na won de anopai wo bisa se Enfimfi mantam December 7th hwan ene obetimi ede ne nsato sa mantam no so efri sasa de nyina ye free abato ase free 1992 ede baba pem enei yenim sade enfimfi mantam fo mabato no ete wo mo ye mantam a wontumi nkoka se NDC fo a no motoma wo mo NPP fo a no motoma wo mo CPP a no wo mote debi wo mo afi bia wo mo sesa wo madwene obia wo mo sususu wo moto obama no a eyeye ene wo motoma no nyese bia me de ye wo metum ena finfi mantam fo de to aba enti wo bisa se afi emanweku akese mienu
say central region mo 23 constituencies yes 23 constituencies no ye ka say MPP ewu mu 19 na say akafo
ewo NDC wo mo so de wo
for na ka na MPP for che say afi ombeji aka ho
NDC for so say de omoji free wo nsem kura 2016 no wo mbesa ba ba judge mu de bi aka ho enti fifi mantam no wo mo na decide so wo say wo mo na decide o mind de obey o mampanin bebre abato no sana aha no dynamics no ete wo fifi mantam enti wo mo say afi kwama hwan enti we asembisa na asembisa we kɔ edema amanyofo no na eno so dam na make say Ghana mampani na nadanko akufo ado wonenemu wasantemantemu enra fomena ena okopie ena wone nananom hemfo ene adehye a wono mofomena edi nkomo wo modidi nkomo na so se wo mu si district hospital bi wo fomena na a check across so mu frase 2014 ebepem ne na omampani se sa fomena ayasabia no eni enum bi wo district ahodo no mu a eka ho no sika wo mbehi wo betime edi aye wiate wo monsa free ho no $40 million enu mbenya wo betime de ese ayasabia na so ne nyina mo se wonya do sakoto abere wodi anu mu a woni kura wo bedi enti wo mbafa kwan bia so na Oma pesika no de wiasa district hospitals emakomako ensia ya fomna de no eka ho bie Daily Graphic
ya didi Daily Guide so ebetwam na Daily Guide mfonyi mienu na da ha sei wopan oni bedia na opan opani Martin Alamisi Yamidu ena ni mfonyi da ha no ena mampani dada John Dramani ma ne wodi animu atu frank ama NDC won so ni mfonyi da no obi a won style awaye ena onya delegate amatina midu de ne space no teacher ni ma ke ade na so nso otwemba ne hwene so kakra saa no wayo no no de ne nsasum na no ena mampani dada John Dramani de ne ase wo sere twe na de bonka tai say we kan brofo aneye was a mama calls amidu stupid coward. We say no the battery more. Nature say be ya toto. Nti we brofo na da.
Na be ni nyina aka ho.
Ayo. Na mampani da say. Martin amidu. Wo wonu mu asoma wo. SP adwuma se kwana kwaya nhwehwemu we ajapadi mu. Woni se ajapadi wo de ba abonte e mo nsem ka no. Ebe ye yo efise mampani na nado. Wono ankasa se ne nephew ne ho abedim ena afesa asem no wo ye ni equalization say an na nado afam no ajapadi wo mafom air force so eno so dwoma so afom wo si asem isu obi ansoma air force nhwehwem airbus san ye kan ayo airbus de no obi ansoma wom afedie wo report no ba ye no wo hwem bia wo se ne ohun ya ne say Martina Midu say government official one ejo mama no say what is this you are coward we are coward ba kon de aimu edudodo o ye
coward na che say cry wo hufuo
na ba kon e kan ho no
o
ye
wo so wo hufuo
wonya bema
ba kon e kan ho no
stupid no metimi de dia fa baby kakra
no so odi aka ho na chese na anu ada petwa ne de o twa se ne osika ne bokọ no na Martina Midu so de wo so no ne penka pa etimi se ba now wo chiro thesis no wo nwie ye obetwa ne tenten wo de ba so a yeso ye wo ha ye be kan na delegate no amu John Oji abusuafo mu ka ba ntie wo wudi ni John Oji no wonu ni nipa takra de mmofra miensa no panimfo ekire no se ensemone wonum ne kum kwada no na ne unso mo sa che ni colleague bi kan ho so ono so nim hu bi
Dr. Wills ana
Dr. Wills ya so mo koya wonu Dr. Wills ne say eye John Oji na kidnap nkwala no ye o che nkwada ndi omba ye no eye John Oji no etu o ma sha ase e confess o ma sha ase yi anu nkakra de ba e wo ha na yebesa si
munso mane na menkwa ahoma no so bentwetwe sa enkomwe mene Barbara Asamoah or Deputy General Secretary of the NDC mene no twetwe enkomwe Barbara o timi ka me akwaba
yani o
awade wo ho de
nyame adom na so
yegusun kakra kata efri makache eyi nipa dumwotwe every NDC amayokuo nim edamanim ha in fact medical akenkan krata no eni nipa 18 ni nyina a decide so omoko independent but masembisa no ebeye how did you arrive at this decision Barbara
yo me da say they din ka mama wa chief na chi na NDC amayokuo no ye wo mra ye di ebukuo no ye na ye hwechini ye kese no ase enti ebire bia obi bedi djuma bia kire se wa twe ne ho afuchini ye na se no na se nipa na kire se party no ye ni twaka bia eti na se de wa wini no NDC as a party no 275 constituency e Ghana ha na ya fale candidate omo gina e wo NDC din enti se onipa bia also we NDC ni ana we NDC supporter ana otu abade me NDC na ebomu de o kwa kogina content kro na wa hese NDC for ma ankom do kwa kotu aba ma ye nuanu mo a wo magina we NDC din no mo kotu aba ma ho that just say wo ni ya wo ye no any party ni mra ne hihye ye ebo ebra entinya nya ade a ebetimi ne wo ejuma eno enam so ena empanifo ehwehwe mu a yehu se sa nipa makoma bi nwotwe a ye kom ho asama no pay nipa bi a ebi kra ya former DC ebi a former MP obi agina MP and DC take so akọ parliament be some prayer night ne ade nyina ebi nso so wɔ hɔnom a ɔmo hyɛ dan yi wɔn anim so ɔmo yɛ ndc foɔ nanso ɔmo kɔgyina independent no wobɛhwɛ na ɔde yɛwura John Dramani Mahama foto atare hɔ n'akyi no yɛsi yɛwura John Mahama nkyɛn na ɔno nso so ne foto atare nkyɛn na ɔka sɛ me nso bi yɛ ndc ni enti woto aba de ma yɛwura John Mahama na wato de ama me saafoɔ nyinaa na nhwehwɛmu a yɛyɛ no abɛkyɛ sɛ saa nnipa du wɔtwi ɛna ɛdi fɔ wɔ saa asɛm yi ho ɛno nti ɛna mpanimfoɔ ayɛ ne sɛ animuanim biara no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛma ndc akyitaafoɔ nyinaa hu sɛ saa nnipa yi ɔmo nyɛ ndc foɔ bie sɛ ne ɔmo yɛ ndc foɔ koraa ɔmo nyɛ ndc foɔ bie nti abatoɔ no a yɛkɔtoɔ na ndc ni biara hwɛ ɛna wankɔto no aba amfa ama mu ɛmu biara
interesting. Okay, but man penny or man kasa engagement be anko so. Semoni omo ehyia kasa ya outcome no Diania Barbara.
Oh, ansana ya kwa file nomination or electoral commission no. Enipa no bi wo ho a metimi akasa dodo no a wo ho no mo a na ya te se omo be kwa akogina omo pese omo gina independent. Na this year was standing committee bi a mpanimfo akuku dam ati say enkan speaker of parliament yewra Dwaso eka ho ye maame Faustina Nelson ka ho na yewra abamba ben mu nyina ka ho alaji hubi aya mu nyina ka ho sa mpanimfo atu anamo bia ni nipa bi akasa ma ebinum kura wo ho a ya flag bearer ankasa krampo ene wo mahia ene wo madi nsawoso na so ni nyina chi no edu se omo file no saafo ya kwa file se omo gina content kro na se nipa no ya na waya na agin se de obeka bia ni ho a obetie wi anu susu wa bi mo so ho no mo a ya nyante ye no ana ya hu se omo tu sa na mo no ekopem se registration ni twa mu no omo no so krampo no empanimfo atu anamo ene omo akasa se before anka ye ba print ballot no enka omo twen san se de be ya omo emba ballot no so eno so bia ni ho no mo a eye adwuma enti se ye ne mpanimfo atu anamo akasa kasa bia wase ye kasa de bia wase ye kasa de kire wo mo afutuo bia wase ye de mo omo ye nyina ye de afasa akwani na so omo si chinchina omo de content kro no ano mbekwa akogina dia na kire se bia na omo tiri mu po no na enya dia ebetumi aboa NDC party no then eno mu titiru nti na ama ye gina so na enye se ye sori ya na ya hwe ya yenwe ha amo amako file independent na ya san kasa ye ba be yi o anamo bia wase mpanimfo tu ani time bi kasa no mpanimfo tu sa anamo no de mom no ya na o maye o magine se o mbekwa akogina independent na me dia o hwa ebi ba be ti sense abelugu Every 1992, I said, Fourth Republic, democracy, NDC party, now you lose that. Independent, some year, 2016, you lose that seat. I depend on independence. No, me, I'm a nini. Yeah, when you're the bed, because Park was here, Miss Arthur, former vice president. Mungina to an amount is I, Kasai, one Yancy, once and a once, you're putting independent, Emma, you lose, Sabelugu seat, yeah. They say, the other that come where say, Sabelugu seat, you know. The best idea, yeah, I was so independent. That is our idea. What the one say, and now the Obama NDC seat, you know. And then I was saying, my young mom was Sabelugu for no a young chas, yes, say, Sadi panel on Kaya Hubi. And to Obama, I want to farm my NDC. Okay, Sabelugu na Wokano, Hona Idrisu Al Hassan, on the free party, correct? Sa Osha baby so the second time pass out wa nipa original independent no or your former DC Osha difference a war ya MP ya o ya yes Felicia any MPP candidate or contest here no na said that no bia enti sa DC ni a we former DC na what me say ya wa agini bo trimu company for ne wa kasa to anamon bia wo si there bi won ti ase obeko independent yeah, we can't say over NDC votes media free. Na seat na free answer because I know over to me every seat no at the Amayan. And we know who said Garua, Honorable Dominica Zuma. Yes, now why MP play where this is take it so. It is all good enough primary. Now we soon as a child wants to call for independence. That's as I also know, maybe I now I main cassette I didn't know what the name of no, beer. na adwene wo ditiri na ga adwene ebetimi aboa NDC party.
Okay.
That was
Barbara, interestingly, the number 10 on the list, Damongo, David Tiki Dangi, Savannah region. Really, Zibeto Abontia, no, so didn't the Ebeto actually. Na our Homano so Menoka Samisaka no Manosunti, Mamenjin adventure or any position on your release nothing. Also as a deputy general secretary, also overreaction be all the about 18 lawyer David Tiki Dange. Good morning, at the sign.
Good morning, at the sign.
And Yamadum Yahoya sounds so here, dear.
Yamadum Bibiaboko.
Mamini Kamisa, we are NDC Niba.
Massa. A woman, party be a card, could party be a card that may political activity be a that. And to me, I am one say, or multimedia costo number 10. In fact, let me ask no. In fact, from me, I don't know what to even say. It's so embarrassing.
But answer now, obey your arguments or independent, no. Na political party bang, and na one no Juma.
Master, I don't know, I retired voluntarily as a state advocate prosecutor 2019. 2019, and from 2019, based in there, for party by so it is, I never had thought the possibility of such a monstrous mistake could be. And yes, this is a manifestation that institutions are not working in this country. And yes, something like this should come. As I said, there should be a meticulous, check to ascertain the authenticity of any, document before you append a signature to it. But to go to this, see, and what I say, UTV, yes, constituency, local FM, including publish it. So you see what is happening. Actually, my informing my lawyers, my legal advisors, to sit with, to see what we can do ASAP. Because I know in fact it's too bad. Massa, and yes, yeah, they probably bring me. In fact, the Inspector General of Police down, everybody, As not make a no correct, many politics. David, but Jinaso, Barbara, what the command here to train?
Ten and Canana line me a very faint in tea, baby or harming tea. The moment no me said the Martino. Mati enough, I met the opposite.
Okay, but Mamim Bisa or Penny Nidi or Monkratem.
Me bacha say did you and Kratem saying.
Sir, is he a member of the NDC? And I'm pessimistic.
Every time me share me casa me can say a pimu or hono na omunya NDC ma say omuye flag card bearing members of NDC. Name omutu media omudi as independent candidates, ebe affect NDC. Emza me say no me can say there no.
Okay.
No me ankasa makoda mango. Enche kra makoda mango mako home play no ebra o shaase na mta around time na ye churo ye di churo no e na ni posters e shaase ba abonti me koda mango ho there say na watwi mienu ntamu ni enso so me sango da mango ho se wonya NDC ni na se wo ye campaign na wo ka se monto abano ma yo mahama na monto ma me so a. It is going against our candidate because NDC, our candidate, our Damango. And Sauni NDC, I didn't see now we are campaign now, Casamonto Abanama, Jomama, Namonto Mamiso. And a bit
I beg
you, David, but I'm not see Mebauso.
Oh, yeah, no. Our form, you groups are all sham. Ebia NDC groups near dinner. But who know I said or didn't need SC or most so say watching NDC votes. No. Now I say a Mayanum NDC for SCSS panel on Kayan. Now so Kayan who cry in a free party if you know on Kayan who be. And you know, or call from Echo Share, Echo Year, fancy. And she shall move near air coastal in this constituencies. No. Independent candidate, independent candidate, baby, na air contest across the country. Now, activities are more yeno. More yeno form ho. Any kasa yemuno. Express person NDC. vote and more target to omono. Yet you only a cancer nipa 18 no. And you may not necessarily be a card bearing member of NDC. But so long as I who is our activities are all actually say NDC votes and our target no. Yet you are more cancer listener.
Okay, David. When you NDC ni, and so go campaign mo meet NDC groups, Montoma na Montoma former President John Dramani Mahama, and it sa niema no awoye no, and which them say, David.
Ohine, Minuya Bana Hotel, excuse me to say to put it, they are blatant lies, and blatant lies.
Some
and throw. See, Mamen Kachiro, me I don't do that. Me listen. Yes, campaign bien platform yes can say obin tuaba emma John Mama net tuaba mami. I will never do such a thing. Yeah, can listen. I'm an independent candidate. Yeah, they say. Yeah, ni papa yeah, but what my candidate we NDC ni na what my His Excellency John Dramani Mama. Na what tuama Honorable David Tikidange. What my Honorable His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Na what tuama Honorable David Tikidange. But say Obi Beka say me yako jina bibi Obi a plus of said even any member of our campaign team ako jina bibi yaka say yes to abanoma one side. We don't do this thing. Let's see win me facts. I don't sit anywhere and just spew out anything. This is why our system is like this. And yet good. Democracy has descended to democracy and has descended to gutters and to the acre because leadership has become a problem to grapple with in this country. This is why we are suffering. And that is why some of us have come out and said, we want to ensure that we bring sanity in this country. Look, Aslaxin, a dramatist, a friend saying, Norwegian dramatist, and or define a political party say. Political party, it is a sausage machine. So, in sausage machine.
Yes.
BBR, blonde head, smart head, what have you? Then you buy, you have everything together until you have what? A complete mash. So what comes out of it is not an individualistic mind or thinking. It's from the mash. That is why you can have somebody like His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo and you have Wontumi. You can have somebody like His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and General Mosquito. Please, this country 63 years after independence. Look at where we are. Look at almost Malaysia, Thailand. Go and see. Just suppose these countries and see us. Envy. The seeds of hope in this country were sown alongside the seeds of greed, evil, and destruction. Unfortunately, the latter triumph. And that is why if you don't change in this country and follow it, because at the end of the day, let us look at in Africa. Ghana was spearheading whatever.
Okay, David, Mamimbi Sao, in your campaign, say, woman to abano Emma for as a member of parliament, presidential no, what's woman to my
yes, say, yeah, I can send my reputation. We say that if you are MPP and you are voting for His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo, vote for independent candidate. If you are NDC and you are voting for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, vote for Honorable David Tikidange. This is our campaign message. That is totally, fatally wrong.
Okay.
And the media these things are not good for this country.
Okay. And son said Barbara, and I said Munina Subiao, Anna.
Yay. I saw my papa.
I want to deny, be remorseful for what you have done. You are rather defending it. I'm going to sue you guys.
If you are NDC, vote for Mahama and vote for the independent candidate. What is the difference? The difference is all come from me country. And it's one of me do a munane de hin.
But Barbara, me how to say somebody need aka the list of Nipa 18
yes, Nipa 18 na. Omo sa Nipa 18. Omo jumadia omo die no.
Enti mo yoma free NDC party ni.
Yeah, you are so we are NDC.
We are you be on home. How do you sack somebody who is not part of you?
Oh,
besides, how do you sack somebody who is not part of you?
Me say. Ono na aka no ene se wonye NDC ni. Ono na aka. Omi jumadia odi no Odamango constituency ni de. Me ne payment odinam. Any anamo a otu no. Obvious NDC for and our target you. And na didn't but sabi me mpɛ dia sa mpanimfo ase akyea na nso emu yɛ yes nipa na yɛsoma ɔmo ma ɔmo kɔɔ fam ɛkɔyɛ saa nhwehwɛmu yɛbɛtumi asa akɔ back na yɛakɔhwɛ sɛ biribi saa bi asi na no kura mu ne deɛ ɔɔka na but ne deɛ anɔpa kasa a wo ne ka no kora nkyerɛ sɛ ayɛ mfonsu gya because ɔno aka na no ntom sɛ ɔmo kɔ na ɔmo yɛ ɔmo campaign na ɔmo so yɛ ndc ni atoma John Mahama na toma me ɛno na yɛ problem ɛno na yɛ problem
enti ɛno na akɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ndc ni enti mudi ne dia ka list no ho no
so wɔyɛ independent candidate he has nothing to do with presidential or campaign for independent candidate as a member of parliament. Only there are independent candidates, presidential independent candidate. I don't know your campaign. He can decide to campaign for the independent presidential candidate if he's not happy with any of the two. And now I say, obviously, campaign among my president here. Presidential candidate here because our MP, your president no pay. And you want concentrate on the campaign as independent parliamentary candidate. Now I'm for NDC, I'm a campaign more for NDC, I'm a matter. Now, I didn't do my Obian in answer because the idea no. Why are not against Obeko independent?
Okay.
Yes, I am right.
Okay, Barbara, my man called David. So, David, was it one notify or lawyers? And I want to Mutu. Are you seeking to sue the NDC?
Absolutely. Me pacho, my man Kasembako. Minuya bano me ferema do pa. This at least na Ghana ya san yekini. See, ya human beings. See, when you are wrong, we have bibina senya immediately be remorse, we show remorse and at least correct it and deny. And still, what do I? As soon as I make she just repeated the same thing as you also like. I said so bisano. Or can say me say still that I'm using only His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Me kasa me say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Yes, so yes. What's him? Depending on Oma Obeshia Womono. Say who share Omana so me NDC for.
No. There be any MP before. That is not the case. The general thing is that they say who you are saying, and yes, you say it separately. It is a joint statement. Say, "Utuma weya, o presidential, no watuma." And yes, say, "Ubaka kujira only your mama na obeka." No, that is not what we do. Yenye be that. Now the question I'm person bisan. Who bisan say even if this is going on, I don't think that utimi you will be your own count. How can you dismiss somebody who is not part of you? How can you suspend someone who is not part of you? Does this make sense? And she still have the guts to sit down there defending it. I'm sorry.
Okay, Jerry.
Yes, Barbara.
Offer me say obi made the matter.
No. Yeah.
Or say what they are some command lawyers. NDC is a political party. Young baby, only they be intino. You better train lawyers in the bar. Whatever it is, no. We will make our case. He makes his case.
Okay, but Barbara,
at the end of the day, if it comes out to say he has never been NDC, he has never associated himself with NDC, he has never had anything to do with NDC.
So retract it and apologize. Lawyers need the petitions and the petition was a suit to the black ever drew NDC for us. Yes, so and you know, so I didn't think yeah, the better say I'm from I didn't come. I don't think it's a big deal, say, because I said, you're very reverse, say, you
okay.
And you know, but now tangents now all connected. I don't think it's right because we didn't come to attack anybody, and I'm sure, sir, as I'm I have not attacked you.
But Barbara,
attack my person.
Barbara, me bow.
And as I'm American,
Barbara,
you difference a woman here also attacking.
Barbara, me bow. Say, Mitie Openi David, Tikidange in Casa Yemwa. Ujutum say clearly as a man yet due diligence. Asana, Modest Alisti, Ebabetra Montino.
Me, my Quadamongo constituency go 2 times. Me and Casa, me Casa will be. Me and Casa, my coho. Maybe Opa. Someone will report. You'll be a reporter and answer there. Opa, man, no man call that man constituency hall. Now only a little investigation and here not here, dear. Obubaka every our constituency. So I mentioned, I say, and you know, it is possible. Say I am mistake because you could hear the Nipa account and they have to keep decision on it. Yeah, Nipa be no on your phone. And he has taken the right steps or the man a lawyer for. Or the amount of lawyer for us a banner a passer. He has never had anything to do with NDC. He has never associated himself with NDC. Or maybe be a chance of NDC New York. Why not? Anyone is a crack and the crowd on since a party. You don't me the crack for Fracqua on the or near a party.
Okay. David.
I was or attacking me personally. As I'm American, be anyone man. Blatant la. On one cassette in a radio, you saw cassette. Or more campaign, moving baby. More MPP for most of one man and another. More MPP for. So if I am saying, you said, or more cassette to Obama, Yerajo Mahama, not to Obama menu. Or more na target, yes, target to Oma. And so I'm with many behind.
Okay. David, Utaminka.
Metonka, me question
Meba David, let you make progress. Ubesiu NDC Amayukono, correct?
Yes.
Ubesiu Omo.
Absolutely.
For what? For what? Meba.
I'll send back on a person bisa. The nipa ye campaign kura, so we are independent. Not a year campaign kura ma another presidential candidate. Does that make you a member of that party? Maybe simple question. Even if I'm making campaign, if there's an original platform, he should just say for the whole Ghanaians to hear. Say yes, say I know say me year campaign. Ma Nana Akufo-Addo, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Does that make me NPP or NDC for my name to appear on such a document as their member? Please, let's be honest. If you are wrong, you are wrong. Show remorse and retract and apologize. Anyone who will be asked to me from, but to go to this extent, still adamantly defending and deny it, trust me, it's so sad.
Okay,
it's
but
so
David, what are you suing for?
I don't have to come out to say that my lawyers would come. Will come out. That's okay. I know it's to my legal advisors. But you see, Japan is so sick in this country. You see, that's the simple question I'm asking. Say, me campaign crema, me campaign ma a year. Not me bo a year, Mama Ding, and I say me bo a year. Does that make me NDC? For my name to appear number 10 on their list as a member of NDC when I have never borne a card of NDC, and you still had the audacity to sit down defending this? Please, let's be honest.
Okay, but David, Barbara can say, Wamonsa can't cut every lawyer for her. Now, if you want to cost on who say, Ebia from Sobinum, yeah, I'm the cat half from Besanso, Eddie about one thing, about Bichim. How about that, David?
Oh, and no problem, Marty.
Medasi. Barbara.
Onia.
Yeah. Ain't it so nipa do watchi? Kwame on befa so say for instance e be afin na koya obi say me ana me kan so me boa me nya nkwa independent bi mu a mo beje wo mo Barbara.
Yo me da se the answer na me ba ho no be say me kan asem bi kire minim ne de so e mi ni apani so enso ye me ne ye pro de me ka kire ne say me a me gina ha bab as Barbara me ntimi anyina ha nka say letter na ya tro no ya yamfon so because that was the outcome. Say now I draw your attention, we will go back and see say I yamfon so a na mom no NDC party no ya nse say ne say so we who free party nim na ko di juma bi a ne party nim ra ebo ebura na ye tu say na say you free party nim a so nu ho na wo san ba ya je o step in prayer dia family ko na mom no ba san abam as a new member. And no one at them woman, so no one as I was a party for Adia. The baby watching the party baby. Name no, Obasati process no senior, Obia all join the party for a San Sati. Name no, your beer upon or your beer upon us or certain big kind. Obia, I am ready. Sir, Obasaya party in the original too.
Mara, I mean, I say, Namenda Ura David Tiki. Dange. Menda also so was David, we wish you all the best. Yeah, that's a pa.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a pa. All right. Semo. Barbara Samoy, Deputy General Secretary of the NDC. No, Mahoma Bakuso. And Ura David Tiki Dange, independent parliamentary candidate. Damongo constituency. ABY.
Yeah, trying to let them. Yeah, training letter because when you say NDC for the some run no day ejuma.
But what makes me a member of a political party?
ebia no munnim se oni card se ono onam a wobodin se muntoma me na muntoma Joma ama no I think say no so no mugina
but ono so chese enye Joma ama nkwa no oboni
bi de me so kra me na onya dwene o wo kotintim nkrata mua de wo signature to ase aba be ka kire Ghana for se nipa semesi obenten efie we wo nwura mu biem wanso wantumi ehunu se nipa na fie no wo nwura mu dada o ma ho woni ho bi onye member of that family and me anyi se nipa ne die mfiri na ade ne dia beto abonten wie na o se de but o man na etime nyina yenuafo ewie kire ko ba hia ye nyina yenuafo ena mfomso nso de etumi ba enti se de ba bredi ka aka no so wo nyina ko hwehwe nkratam no mu se bia mfomso ne ba ya papa no nso se wo mu esa de krata afoforo ba bonten a wo no nso so obeji atonti we nya se bia esese yesoso soma ne ye bibi denden
ye de besi
ye bre na so me kona Kingsford Kofi Edu wo parliament or parliament or say happy birthday enkoma Ophelia Dodu wo teshi na brofo de ba ne say nyankopon protect you from any calamity from any calamity
ba kwa wan kan brofo ni nyina ho
eno an makan may the Almighty God bless and protect you from any calamity.
I feel no kind brofo. Because you can say brofo de buy and say nyankopon mo ho ban na one from any calamity.
Yo edu Kingsford edu parliament.